Yeah, sometimes I just Yo, I'm gon' sit back, tell stories on this when I was young, tail bushy hair with no senses, kicking doors down, ding dong dishes, just trying to find an entrance. Yeah, I was searching like my heart was missing, had to find that and put the work behind the timestamp. Now I'm shining like a neon lamp, versatile is in my bag, had to work up on my craft, hooked the slant, took the smash route. I was moving on the southbound until I finally got that track down. Concrete, asphalt, I'm not taking shit for granted. My foundation size a little rock. Once I plant this seed, can't be jacking with my bean stock. Enemy came to kill, still destroy, but I got padlocks. Used to want the bills, but now it's wisdom at the stash spot. This you cannot steal, I put my riches up past red hawks. If you see the picture, talking hot plates from the biblical. Don't need to cut too deep, I know a sword like act like scissors. And keep with it, live by these words and out deceased with them. Always say my grace before I eat minutes. Took the pack, double up, circle back, flea flicker. Treat these niggas like a sickness, yeah, I gotta keep the distance between me and them. And if I don't, then I'm no different. Yeah, and if I don't, then I'm no different.
I'm here to study the minds of those who think, let's say, outside of the lines.
I'm not insane if that's what you're asking.
Not insane, but otherwise. Progressive.
Yo, shawty wanna chill, I been in cocoons, had to look within myself before I flew into the view, had to pick the tool up, pencil like a weapon, depending how I choose to use, listen close, follow through, got the answers in the views, I just pick a door and kick at opportunities on the move, I had to track down, I've been running with no shoes, they in the background, and I found peace within myself, I'm a bloodhound, roaming with no leash and I see better after sundown, it's hard to spot the crease when the eyes is obsolete, I had to find out they wasn't built like me and chose to switch. I took the time out. Despite the repercussions, I'ma push it till I stick out.